Good morning, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Thursday, February 8th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day with you. So we had a USDA crop report today. February crop reports usually don't pan out to be that big of a surprise here. Moving forward, you're only adjusting the demand side of things. Production is set in stone. And so what you had is actually a bearish crop report for beans, friendly on corn, slightly neutral, maybe a little bit bearish on wheat, but the big surprise is that you got a really bearish report on beans and they were able to stay positive on the day. So what happened was USDA cut 60 million bushel of export demand out of those soybeans, and so you have a 530 million bushel carryout. That is a very, very large domestic carryout for us. And just like we expected, we really think South America is going to end up being a wash, where you see anything lost in Argentina picked up in Brazil, and that's what USDA did. So they took away 2 million metric tons of production out of Argentina and moved it to Brazil, and not adjusting that too much. And so really you saw Argentina is hot and dry. You're able to continue to build that weather forecast in there, but that's the main concern moving forward, is how big of a deal is this? And if it doesn't pan out to be a big deal, we're looking at a lot of domestic US beans around, and something we really need to watch. Corn market up about a penny, half a cent on the day. Soybeans up about 4. Wheat market mixed with Chicago and Kansas City finding a little bit of selling pressure, while Minneapolis just slightly positive on the day. Looked like cattle markets wanted to go, but overall by the end of the day you had the grain markets that were rallying and a lower stock market weigh on them, closing closer to steady on live cattle after being up over $1, and feeders down about $1. Lean hogs mixed to slightly lower as well. Outside markets remain the biggest movers here, with the Dow market down 500 points as you're trying to get a grip on what we're going to see for inflation, and then also if we're going to see a government shutdown or not. So crude market slightly lower, US dollar about steady, but moving forward, what we're going to be watching here is now seeing what managed money did last Tuesday to Tuesday. That comes out tomorrow after the close. That's going to be a big indicator because they were aggressive buyers last week from last Tuesday to Tuesday. So we're going to watch that to see where they are. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.